it's very hard to pinpoint any one defining moment. There have been several critical junctures along the way. We started as a dot-com company. Personally, I guess one defining moment was taking the plunge to leave a good job and start a company. One of the first things, pivot moment or decision moment, came when we found that, or we reached this conclusion that our initial business, the dot-com business, didn't have a future. We closed that and decided what to do. And that's when we said, okay, fine, we're going to do analytics. It was a new term, new phrase at that point of time. And we decided to do that, right? Along the way, there have been many pivots, many moments where, from acquiring the first client in India to acquiring the first international client, which was Visa in Singapore, to acquiring our first client in the US, even for that matter, getting the first few hires. It's very hard to get, people to join the company when you're 5 people working out of a 1-bedroom apartment. And to the first fundraise, then, moving to the US to set up the business in the US, acquiring the first set of clients in the US, acquiring, getting people to join you in the US, and, all of these things. And then several pivots along the way where, moving from an analytics-based, predominantly, predictive modeling-oriented company to doing business analysis, to bringing in AI, engineering, design, to today developing AI-driven digital products. I think there have been many moments of pivot, so it's really hard to pinpoint, but I'm glad that, we looked at each of those moments and took a decision, moved forward, learned from them, and then went on to take more decisions and move the company forward,